Meteorites have fascinated humans for centuries. These rare stones from outer space can be extremely valuable, scientifically and sometimes financially. However, many ordinary Earth rocks are often mistaken for meteorites. In this complete guide, you will learn how to identify a real meteorite at home using simple tests and observations, without specialized laboratory equipment. What is a meteorite? A meteorite is a solid piece of debris from a meteor, asteroid, or comet that survives its passage through Earth's atmosphere and lands on the ground. Meteorites are generally classified into three main types: stony meteorites, chondrites and achondrites, iron meteorites, stony iron meteorites. Most meteorites found on Earth are stony meteorites, especially chondrites. Common characteristics of real meteorites. Before performing tests, examine the stone carefully. Real meteorites usually share these key features. 1. Fusion crust. A thin, dark outer layer formed by extreme heat during atmospheric entry, often black or dark brown, looks melted or glassy. Fresh meteorites may appear shiny. Fake meteorites often have paint-like coatings or uneven surfaces. 2. Unusual weight, high density. Meteorites are much heavier than normal Earth rocks of the same size because they contain iron and nickel. Pick it up. If it feels unusually heavy, that's a good sign. Iron meteorites are especially dense. 3. Magnetism test. Most meteorites contain iron. How to test? Use a strong magnet. If the stone is attracted to the magnet, it may be a meteorite. Note, some Earth rocks, like magnetite, are also magnetic, so this test alone is not enough. 4. No bubbles or holes. Real meteorites do not have air bubbles. Holes or bubbles usually indicate volcanic rocks, slag or basalt. Meteorites may have shallow thumbprint-like depressions called regmaglypts. 5. Regmaglypts, thumbprint marks. These are smooth, rounded indentations caused by melting and erosion in the atmosphere. Common in iron meteorites, rarely sharp or jagged. Simple home tests to identify a meteorite. 1. Streak test. Meteorites do not leave a colored streak. How to test? Scratch the stone on an unglazed ceramic tile. If it leaves a red, brown, or black streak, not a meteorite. A real meteorite leaves no streak or a very faint grey line. 2. Scratch test, hardness. Meteorites are generally harder than steel. Try scratching the surface with a steel knife. If the stone scratches easily, it is likely not a meteorite. Avoid damaging potentially valuable specimens. 3. Interior inspection, optional. If the stone is already broken, meteorites show metallic flakes inside. Chondrites contain small round grains called chondrules. The inside should not look layered like sedimentary rocks. Do not break the stone intentionally. 4. Rust test. Meteorites containing iron may show small rust spots when exposed to moisture. Rust appears naturally over time. Excessive rust or flaky corrosion may indicate industrial slag. 5. Density test, water displacement. Meteorites have high density, usually 3.5 to 8 grams centipays. How to test? 1. Measure the stone's weight. 2. Submerge it in water and measure displaced volume. 3. Divide weight by volume. High density increases the likelihood of a meteorite. Common rocks, mistaken for meteorites. Many false meteorites are found every year. Common meteor wrongs include industrial slag, basalt, hematite, magnetite, volcanic rocks. These often contain bubbles, sharp edges, or colorful streaks. Can you identify a meteorite 100% at home? No home test can confirm a meteorite with absolute certainty. Home tests only help eliminate obvious fakes. Professional confirmation methods include nickel content analysis, microscopic examination, X-ray fluorescence, XRF, laboratory classification. What to do if you think you found a real meteorite? Do not clean or polish it. Store it in a dry container. Take clear photos. Contact a university geology department, a natural history museum, a certified meteorite expert. Final conclusion. Identifying a real meteorite at home requires careful observation, patience, and multiple tests. If your stone has a fusion crust, high density, magnetic attraction, no bubbles, and no colored streak, it may be a genuine meteorite. However, only laboratory testing can provide full confirmation. Meteorite hunting is exciting, but always remember, most strange-looking rocks are not meteorites, yet finding a real one is a truly extraordinary experience.